What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the cake of fortune. Okay, so this thing on the 7th of May 2023 made 1 year. Okay, so this thing is over 1 year old and still up and running, still doing its thing, still printing cake every single day. Okay, going over to the smart contracts, we can see the contract balance has 31,000 cake inside a smart contract, and it is worth 57.990 bucks at the current cake price. Unfortunately, cake is dumping really hard. Okay, so if you look at the cake price chart, we can see cake was launched around $9. All-time high is 44 bucks, and you clearly can see the cake is taking a dump. Okay, but I'm still a big believer that when bull market comes, cake will pump back to at least 10 to 16 bucks. Okay, but unfortunately, as we can see right here, we cannot deny that cake is taking a dump and it's doing really bad, right? So it just keeps going down and down and down and down and down. Okay, for some time, cake was hovering between $4 and $3. Okay, 4 and 3, and now we broke below those 3, 2, and now we are currently sitting at 1.83. Hopefully, next bull run we will see cake pumping back up, and then if it goes, let's say, to $10, that will be nearly 8 to 10 X's, okay, depending on the time that you buy the cake, right? But it might be a good opportunity to buy cake right now because it's really low, or it might not. Cake might keep on dumping and go all the way to zero and then become 0.0001 cake. Well, $0.001 worth of one cake. Okay, we know, who knows? But the truth is, cake is taking a dump. Unfortunately, cake is taking a dump, but it is what it is. I'm a big believer of cake still. Okay, let's go over to the cake of fortune smart contract. Okay, and let's have a look at the token balance from 22nd of March till now. Okay, we can see that even though the cake is taking a dump, cake token price is going low and low and low. Okay, people are still bullish about cake, which is really good to see. I am still bullish about cake, hence me still rolling with cake of fortune. Okay, and as you can see right here, the trend is going up and keeps going up. Okay, if you go over to the transfers amount, we can see this is from the 10th of March till now, okay, till yesterday, 12th of March, and we can see that the money going out, it's still a bit, in average, it's lower than the money going in, which is good to see, right? So the red bar is money going in, the blue bar is money going out. As you can see right here, there is more money going in smart contract than money going out. But coming from here so if you zoom in right here, we can see that more people are cashing out than cashing in. Okay, but because cake of fortune, it's a minor. Okay, so the more you withdraw the less you will earn. Okay, so you will have to play the strategy, otherwise you will start to earn less and less and less. Okay, I'm still playing the strategy. Okay, so I have 1 billion miners. Okay, I've got 9.3 cake over there to claim. So what I will do is I will gonna claim this 9.3 cake. Okay, and I will send back 7 cake. So we're gonna take our fortune, pay the gas fee, and then we're gonna send the cake back in. As you can see right there, my cake balance in my wallet, so this is my ROI, 18.578. So I'm going to leave 20 cake in my wallet, and the rest will go back into the smart contract. So I'm going to buy more cake. Okay, so that means I'm going to send 7.969 cake back in. Okay, so I'm gonna hire more miners because miners are getting cheaper. Okay, so 7.969. So we come over here, 7.969. Okay, so then again, guys, you approve, and then the same amounts you will put over here, 969, and that's it. And that's it, guys. I am in. As you can see right here, I've got 20 cake. Okay, so this is my ROI, so 20%. And I have 1.25 billion miners. So if you want to know how many miners or how many cakes are you earning per day, it's very simple. So I have 1.25 25 miners. So if you come over here and type in 55 cake, we'll give you so let's go 50, whoa, 49. So 49 cake, so 1.25. So I'm getting about 148.5. Okay, or even 148, I think. Okay, so currently I have deposits. So my initial stake was 100 cake. Okay, so I've been compounding, doing 50-50 strategy. But obviously, if the majority of the community decides to, withdraw, miners become cheaper, and you start earning less and less rewards. So my current stake right here, 1.25 billion miners, equals to roughly about 48 cake. Okay, so if you come over here and type in 48 times 3%, okay, so I'm getting 1.44 cake per day. Okay, so that's how you do the maths. Okay, but if more people started to do the 50-50 strategy, and if more money comes in, the miners become more expensive, and you will get more from your redeposits. But yeah, guys, just wanted to give you an update about Cake of Fortune. It's been a minute since last time I made a video about it. Okay, still up and running, a year on, and still up and running, still doing its thing. And I believe this can go for another year and even longer. Okay, because the team, they don't have to do anything about it. Because if you don't play the strategy, you will start getting less and less cake by the day. Okay, and eventually you'll get to a point where you says enough is enough, I'm done with it, I'm out. And you will be out if you don't play the strategy. Okay, guys, but yes, that's just my update about Cake of Fortune. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.